Hello there. This quick video is going to show you how to delete missing data without having to scroll through and find each missing data point. So this is important if you're running a correlation analysis and several other types of data analyses that simply will not run if you have any missing data whatsoever. So in this example, I want to look at the correlation between how safe students feel the parking lot on campus is during the day and then how safe they feel like it is at night. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy this data. You can grab that. I'm going to paste it in a new worksheet. And now, just for demonstration's sake, if I go to data analysis, and I try to run a correlation, I want to make a correlation table here. Watch what happens. I'm going to highlight all this data. There's lots of it. Okay. My output, I'd like it to be right up here, and then I hit OK. Denied, right? Cannot do it. Input range contains non-numeric data. Now that error may pop up if you forget to check this labels in the first row because this isn't numeric, but I didn't do that. So I need to delete my data first. All right, so now this is the part that shows you how to delete missing data easily. All you need to do is sort your data. So I clicked the first number in my data set. I held down Shift and clicked the last number in my data set. You could also just kind of, click and drag to highlight. And then I'm going to go to Home. Right here, I'm going to sort smallest to largest, or largest to smallest, it doesn't really matter. We're going to go smallest to largest. We always want to expand the selection so that this person still is the same, right? They're going to have their 6 for safe day, 3 for safe night. If you don't hit expand the selection, it'll just resort these, and then each row won't be the same person anymore. So we're going to do that. Now check it out. All of our missing data is at the bottom. So for the purposes of this analysis, I can just delete everybody who didn't give me data for is it safe at night. So now let's try to run that correlation again and see if it works. I'm going to have to adjust this now, though. I'll show you a slightly different way to do it. I'm going to click the top left, scroll down with a big data set. It's kind of a pain to highlight to, or click and drag to highlight. I'm going to hold Shift, and I'm going to hit that. Okay. If you have a Mac, it may not be Shift, it may be Function or something a little different. So here we go. Hit OK, and look what I get. Hooray! There's my correlation. No more missing data. All right. I hope that was helpful for you, and it'll prevent some headaches of trying to go through and individually get rid of rows with missing data.